In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade prop firms directly on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to connect your prop firm account to Tradingview and place orders straight from your chart with confidence. First, make sure you are with a firm that supports Tradingview integration. Many evaluation and funded programs connect through providers like Rhythmic, Tradivate, or a proprietary Tradingview connection offered by the firm itself. Check the firm's documentation to confirm Tradingview is supported on your specific plan, which markets are available, and whether any additional exchange or data permissions are required. This saves you time later and avoids login surprises. After you've purchased an evaluation or been granted a live account, head to your prop firm dashboard to locate your login credentials. You'll typically see separate details for demo versus live, and sometimes a server or region selection. Copy them carefully and keep them secure. If you don't see credentials in the dashboard, look for a setup or activation section. Some firms require you to generate credentials before use. Next, open Tradingview in your browser and go to the chart you plan to trade. At the bottom of the screen, click the Trading Panel tab. If you don't see it, expand the bottom bar or switch to a full layout. It's a good idea to set your chart to the exact instrument and time frame you plan to use and confirm the correct exchange symbol so orders route properly. In the trading panel, select the broker connection your prop firm uses. This might be Tradivate, Trade-of-8, or a branded connection provided by the firm. If you are unsure which to pick, check the firm's integration guide. Using the correct connector is essential for a successful login. When prompted, enter the credentials from your firm. If you are still in an evaluation, make sure you choose the demo environment. Double-check any server or region fields, and be precise with usernames and passwords. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step. Login errors often come from a demo versus live mismatch or a mistyped field, so verify those first. Once connected, you'll see your account in the order panel. You can place and manage trades directly on the chart. Use the plus button next to price, the order panel on the right, or right-click on the chart to place market, limit or stop orders. Set your quantity and, if supported, enable brackets for a stop loss and take profit. You can modify orders by dragging the lines on the chart and close positions from the Positions tab, or by right-clicking and selecting Close. Always confirm the symbol matches your account's exchange, and test with small size to ensure everything is routing as expected. That's it. Connect. Log in with the right environment and trade directly from your Tradingview chart.